Welcome. In this video, I'll be discussing an example question on subsets. Here we have that set A is x such that x is a root of that equation, x squared minus 4 is 0, and set B has one member or element, which is the number 2. Set C has three members, that's the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So the very first part, they want us to express set A by listing its elements. So the elements of set A are basically the roots of the equation x squared minus 4 equals to 0. Roots basically finding out the values of x. This is a quadratic equation, which is a difference of two squares. So we can write it as x plus 2, x minus 2 equals to 0. And on solving that, we'll have that x equals to 2 or x equals to negative 2. So the members of set A would be 2 and negative 2. The second part requires us to answer whether B is a proper set of set A. Now B has that member, whereas A has the members 2, negative 2. Now remember, for a proper subset, B should not be equal to A if it's to be a proper subset. And then realize that 2 is both in A and B. So basically all the members of B are there in A. So is B a proper subset of A? Yes, B is a proper subset of A. And then the last part is A a proper subset of C? Now let's remember, we have that our A has members 2 and negative 2, whereas C has members 1, 2, and 3. So when we look at them, there is a 2 and a 2. And then there is a negative 2 in here, and it's not there in the set C. So that means that not all members of A are there in C. So to answer the question, is A a proper subset of C? No. A is not a proper subset of C. Remember, we use set notation when answering such questions.